Hi there, Lynda Artesani, Artesani Accounting and the Proper Trust. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm so glad you landed here. A little bit about me. I was actually awarded the top QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor of the Year recently. And in addition to that, I'm a Lean Law Gold Accounting Pro, and our firm is Clio certified. So we have a lot of accolades there. We are also on the My Case Accountants Council. So a lot of fun. We get to help develop that product along the way. I've been doing this work. I've had my business since 1999. And in 2016, it's when I decided to really stop being a generalist and really walk down the path of being a specialist and niching into the practice area of working with lawyers and attorneys and law firms. And I've not looked back. I love this industry. I love my clients. They're all fantastic people. We've worked with all different practice areas. We work with immigration firms, family lawyers, estate planning firms, personal injury attorneys. We just run the gamut of all different practice areas, criminal lawyers. But that's what makes the job interesting. And most law firms kind of follow a pattern, and depending on the practice area, we can tweak the workflow to work best for the client. And that's part of the fun of it. We have a set workflow. We use Clio and Lean Law at our firm. There are two main platforms that we believe in. They work the best with QuickBooks Online Advanced, which is the other piece, or really the center of our universe. And you'll see lots of tips and tricks on KPIs for attorneys, financial strategy to grow your firm, best practices. This channel is chock full of information like that. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video.